a sacred guided meditation to experience silence and stillness. I'm going to introduce you to the healing angels. We are going to bless your health, happiness, and prosperity. Create a sacred space now where you can visit often and re-listen to this video. Also, I will teach you the emotional language of your body. I'm Georgie Holbrook. For 30 years, I've been a spiritual guide and emotional mentor, teaching nature's way to over 2,000 people for their health and lifestyle. Click on the link below to learn more about my training. Imagine that I'm there with you, and I come with my healing angels. I come with angels to hold a sacred space for you to be with me. It is said that there are more angels on earth than people, all waiting to be asked. It is like you and I have expensive employees standing all around us, but we never ask for their help. But when we learn to ask, start to believe, and we can even pretend at first, miracles can happen. I was one of those people that as a child was taught to not ask for anything, as my father at times didn't have money to buy me things. It was easier for him over and over to tell me, don't ask. When years later, many years later, doing energy and body work on a lady that came to me in great pain after an auto accident, I worked on her for 2 hours. Her pain level stayed the same. I was exhausted, and then 3 separate female angels came to me. Verbally, I could hear them say, if you would ever ask, we can help you. I said, please help us. Instantly, I'm telling you, instantly, this lady healed. All her pain in her shoulder left her and she went back to normal. From that moment on, it transformed my feelings of being alone and that I had always to be in control, never asking anyone for help. I started to teach my clients how to enjoy angel helpers. I'm Georgie Holbrook. At the end, I will bless your home, relationships, and cash flow. Click the link below to sign up for my amazing Nature's Way training. All right, find a comfortable chair to sit on. Notice how your chair feels. Do you need anything to add that would make you feel better? Perhaps a soft, thin blanket over your knees. You'll want to stay awake and not fall asleep. I suggest that you take off your shoes. Uncross your arms and legs, and now let's breathe together. The divine, known by many names, your creator. Breathing in the breath of the divine. Breathing out the breath of the divine. We now breathe in, holding to a count of 4. I'm breathing in, 1, 2, 3, 4. I hold to a count of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathing out to a count of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With your eyes closed now, imagine a beautiful rainbow with brilliant colors across the sky. Just pretend that you can see it. Imagine if you and I could go out in space and touch that rainbow, what it would feel like. I believe it would feel like the consistency of a cloud, light, fluffy, playful, but very colorful. Now, as you sit with your eyes closed, calm and peaceful, imagine these same rainbow colors form a ball of energy, light and fluffy, coming down from the sky ever so slowly. You notice this ball of energy is coming directly to you to bless you and enhance your life and affairs. Breathe and imagine this miracle, magical thing taking place. It's your gift. As this ball of rainbow-colored energy arrives, it lands gently at your feet. It has a mission to bless your body, to bless any areas that you have had surgery, any areas that currently have pain, any areas that you have held hidden hurts, secret stories, trauma, or childhood abuse. Your angels love bringing you colors and rebalancing and blessing everything that has happened to your body, mind, and spirit. Each foot has 7,400 nerve endings that started at the nape of your neck. Now each foot welcomes this healing energy. as it is here to anoint you. Blessing each foot that has 28 bones. Blessing each toe. Life would be different without a toe or foot. Blessing all the ways your feet have served you that you maybe have taken for granted. Now we're going to go up the front of your body. Beautiful colors now going up to your ankles, to your knees, swirling around your knees, keeping them strong and flexible. The emotion behind your knees and feet is about moving forward in life. We affirm it is time to feel the freedom of living your passion, that moving forward is your birthright. Going up to your legs, into your colon area. Your large intestine is approximately 6 feet long, and your small intestine 22 feet long. We envision rainbows of colors swirling through your colon, healing constipation, releasing memories from the past, releasing all the years perhaps of your holding yourself in, and allowing you to eliminate normally. Going into your private area, also called the lower chakra, rebalancing your energy with healing colors, letting go of all guilt, shame, or resentment. Next, going up the left side of your body around your waist is your spleen and pancreas. Measures blood sugar. Some have low blood sugar, some have high blood sugar, and then there's that group that has diabetes. The emotion behind this is lack of sweetness of life and lack of joy. You know, that work, sleep, eat routine that doesn't have any joy, or serving others until you feel empty and exhausted. Now we bless your spleen and pancreas with rainbows of healing colors and ask the angels to bless you. Going to the right side of your waist is the beginning of your liver. Your liver serves you 24 hours a day without you thinking. Liver is said to hold anger. And now we see rainbows of colors blessing your liver and releasing unhealthy emotions. Going now to your belly button area. You came into this world through this portal. See rainbows of colors like a fountain of beautiful colors flowing freely, welcoming you to reconnect with your sacred self. Next is your heart. Anytime you have felt brokenhearted, the angels balance your heart with love now. Regardless of your past, we let go and ask a special love blessing for you to be able to feel love and feel lovable. Now the stomach, your whole digestive system, your stomach that from the time you were born knows how to create vitamins and minerals to sustain your body. We ask the angels to help you choose the foods, the best foods to nurture your body, letting go of any indigestion and fear of changes in your life. Behind your stomach is your intuition, your own guidance system, your own divine GPS, 100% accurate when you learn to listen from within, trust your true self, being authentic, not a follower of others, finding a new reality of how to live, having boundaries, being able to say no, and living your passion, not pain. Lungs, right lung and left lung, hold sadness and tears. You know, from the time many of us were children, we were taught to not cry, not feel, not be real. So the lungs hold sadness and tears that never got expressed, not free to breathe. You are now receiving a blessing to be able to breathe fully, take in all of life, letting go of all restrictions and responsibilities put on you by others. No more shallow breathing, breathing fully and energizing your body, blessing your breath, and not suffering from depriving yourself of oxygen and your divine life force. Your shoulders, seeing beautiful rainbows of colors like a ball on both shoulders, light and fluffy, releasing any burdens or aches and pains. See these colors going down your elbows, wrists, and hands. Each hand now, you see colors coming out the palms of your hands and your fingertips. Each hand has 27 bones. Life would be different without a little finger. We now bless all the ways that your hands have served you, not just today, but for all of your life. Without you even thinking about it, they showed up for you. letting go of all the clenching of fists where your body tells your inner story of anger and not willing to let go or not knowing how to let go. You now open both hands and spread your fingers, allowing the healing colors to free your hands to live the life you deserve and desire. Hands are about being of service, but not at your own expense, not following somebody else's dream. See this energy now going from your hands, wrists, and elbows back to your shoulders and crossing over the front of your neck. Your neck holds your head up. Your head weighs approximately 8 pounds. We thank your neck for being able to twist, turn, and be flexible for you, filling it with rainbows of colors. And inside of your neck is your voice box, allowing you to speak your truth. Going into your chin and jaws. Jaws hold anger and unspoken words when they start having pain. Now you bless your jaws and promise to learn ways to speak your truth and not internalize your unspoken words that speak to you in pain. Your lips, rainbows of colors entering your mouth, blessing your tongue, teeth, gums, and enzymes found in the mouth. The fact that with your mouth you can speak, sing, and eat your food is all a blessing. Nose, the fact that you can smell danger and sweetness. We ask that your sinus cavities be blessed with rainbows of healing colors, allowing you to be more aware of the smells around you. And healing any allergies. Allergies are mostly about some person or something in your life that you're unhappy about and don't like the smell of, rather than the plant life. Eyes, right and left eyes. The fact that you can see and see in color, up and down and sideways, is a miracle. The fact that with your eyes closed right now, you can be anywhere in the world, from your favorite place in vivid colors. Might be the mountains or the ocean. With your eyes closed, you can actually see more than with your eyes open. All gifts to appreciate. Your ears, imagine rainbows of colors flowing from one ear to another inside your head, balancing your hearing. The fact that you can hear is a miracle. Any issues with hearing, tell yourself, it is safe for me to hear and do what brings me joy and follow my heart's desire. Imagine being anointed by a holy person right now on your forehead. The oil, the sweet smell of the holy oil, acknowledging your amazing spirit and blessing you. Then rebalancing your brain, your memories, so that you can see clearly the best steps, raising your consciousness to pure divine intelligence. The intelligence that governs our world, that brings the stars, moon, and sunshine out. That same intelligence governs every cell and fiber of your body, rebalancing you, healing any hurtful memories or false core beliefs about yourself, releasing all self-doubt in this process. Your head has 22 cranial bones connected to your spine, seeing rainbows of colors flowing up and down your spine, freely blessing each area. Going to the nape of your neck, a spiritual center in your body. At the nape of your neck is the heart of your meridian and nervous system. Remember, we started at your feet with the nervous system. Now from your shoulders in your back, flowing down through every rib. The fact that you can twist and bend is a blessing. Now above your waist in the back, on the left is your gallbladder. Gall, G-A-L-L, meaning it can hold bitterness when out of balance. Then you have 2 kidneys, adrenals, and hormones. We ask that all exhaustion be healed, rebalancing your life to stay in spiritual balance and have clarity and really fine-tuning your memory. Now blessing your right and left hips, right, being safe to move forward in life. Flowing rainbows of healing colors down your right and left leg, releasing any tension or resistance to life, flowing down through your ankles and feet, flowing down into Mother Earth, transforming all your energy systems, coming back from Mother Earth, rainbows of colors flowing up and surrounding your body. Your skin is your largest organ, blessing your skin and self-image, blessing your self-talk. You are a sacred soul. releasing and removing any negative self-talk about yourself. Now imagine the sacred rainbow of colors, the colors surrounding your skin, now flowing out 3 to 5 feet around you, your aura, wrapping you in a bubble of love that is pure divine love energy. Notice your angels now surrounding your energy fields, available to teach you how to trust each step unfolding on your sacred path. Now blessing your home, people in your life, any animals, water, food, electricity, cars, and all cash flow. Asking the angels to bless your life and those people you interact with at work or at home. Remember that what you bless blesses you in return. Breathing in and asking for the same blessing for all the people in your extended family, community, and the world. The angels encourage you to be with people and situations that inspire you and bring you true joy. And stay away from those that exhaust you and cause you to reach for harmful addictions, feel moody, devalued, and negative. You were born to reach for what brings you joy and trust your own healing. I suggest after this meditation that you make a big sign. I trust life. I trust to be always provided. I trust my intuition, and I trust my own healing. I walk in faith that I dedicate myself to learning more about how to maintain my sacred self and bring out the greatest playful version of myself. You will want to rest after this meditation and allow the angels to help you feel this experience, having a deeper connection to your source each time you listen. My suggestion, get your feet on Mother Earth often and feel her rebalance your life and teach you a new healthy way to let go of stress and appreciate the sound of silence. Stand on Mother Earth and be still and feel her Earth's energy. I'm Georgie Holbrook. For 30 years, I have been teaching ancient natural solutions for health and lifestyle that have been lost in our modern lives. Wisdom that has been abandoned and replaced with sick and drug care. Understanding how your mind, body, spirit works nature's way is a gift that keeps on giving. I take you where you are in life and where you want to be on any subject, mentoring you personally to experience from your very first session finding your own answers. I've helped over 2,000 people create a new, healthy, happy version of themselves. You can too. Click the link below for a free discovery call on my training. The life you save may be your own. Enjoy and share this video. From my heart to yours, I send you love and rich blessings. And I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.